Alright, what I'm working on right now is scraping off. I vacuumed the steps, had bird crap everywhere in the attic. Now I'm going to scrape this wallpaper off because it's just peeling off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, here's the plaster walls after I scraped them completely. All of the paper, wallpaper is gone. A little bit of paint left, but that's not wallpaper. Looks a lot better, and you won't have any peeling no more, so when you go up the stairs you won't have a bunch of issues of paint coming off all the time or wallpaper. Now to get to cleaning the stairs again and the attic, which is very dirty. Let me show you. Whoa, garbage galore. Alright, so that's what I'm attempting to clean right now. So look at all the garbage left in here. So much everywhere. And bird crap everywhere. Here's the attic all cleaned up. Took me all day. This is the last of the garbage. Pretty clean. And there's all this bird poop that's left over that we couldn't get. We'll get some bleach and water and we'll have to mop it later. There's one hot wire right here. I don't know what, it doesn't go to anything. I gotta put a piece of OSB over the window or plywood because there's a hole there. Other than that, pretty much done here. Alright, here's the end result of the stairs. We cleaned them all the bird crap off, wiped it off with some bleach, got all this wallpaper scraped off. Of course it needs new paint. Still got a mop up here because you can see all the little bird droppings everywhere, the pigeon droppings. It smells 90% better though. I mean, you couldn't walk up here without hearing a crunch every step you took, and that was bird droppings everywhere. Really disgusting. So that's it for this video. That's cleaning up the attic in this old home.